Alright, so the question we're all asking is, does the CT100U have enough power? Testing that out today, I weigh about 160 pounds, and the mods I've done to this is I got a Go Power Sports adapter plate and air filter, and I also bypassed the throttle stop, but I end up bypassing the entire, you can see I ended up bypassing the entire governor, which is that in there. And this other YouTuber made a really good video on it. Hanger, metal hanger. And it ends up working really well. And then we ended up getting this exhaust off of Amazon. That'll be linked down below with the Go Power Sports little mini muffler. So those are the mods we've done to it. We're gonna do some good hill climbs. I got a pond. And I'll be filming with this camera so you can really see kind of how big the hills are, because a lot of times on GoPro you can't really tell. Be using this helmet, and we got some nice Bataha stickers on there. Let me know if y'all want to buy any of them. They go really good on the sides of the helmet. Oh. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Look at the muffler. Getting a little discolored. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. I think this thing has plenty enough power. As long as if you get a good head start on some of the hills, and you gotta do a couple simple mods to this thing. So yeah guys, I'm Bataha. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.